What if I told you that the moment a woman over 40 closes her eyes on that massage table, she isn't just relaxing her shoulders. She is breathing out something she has been carrying for months, maybe years. You've seen her come home from that appointment with a different glow, softer, quieter, more herself. And somewhere, deep down, you've wondered, why does she need to go there to feel that way? The answer isn't about the massage. It's about what she isn't getting anywhere else. Stay with me, because what you're about to understand could quietly change everything between you and the woman you love. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here, and I mean that sincerely. This channel is a space for honest, warm conversations about the emotional world of mature women and the relationships that shape them. If you're new here, welcome home. If you've been here before, you already know we don't do surface level. Today's topic is one I've wanted to explore for a long time, because it touches something so many women feel, but almost never say out loud. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to share the single most powerful insight, one that most partners never realize until it's almost too late. If this kind of emotionally intelligent conversation speaks to you, please like this video and subscribe. It genuinely helps this community grow. Now, let's talk about touch and what happens when a woman stops feeling it at home. Reason number 1, she is starving for non-transactional touch. Touch in her daily life has become functional. A kiss before someone rushes out the door, a hand on her back while passing in the kitchen. Contact that says I'm here, but barely. Psychologically, women over 40 have a deeply developed need for what researchers call affectionate touch. Touch that carries no agenda, no urgency, no expectation. Touch that simply says, you matter, and I want you to feel good. Imagine a woman, let's call her Layla. She's been managing the household, showing up for everyone around her, holding it all together. And at the end of the day, the only person who places 2 calm, unhurried hands on her shoulders and says, I've got you, is a stranger she pays $40 an hour. That's not an indictment of her partner. It's a quiet heartbreak that has a solution, if only someone knew to look for it. Reason number 2, she needs to be the one being cared for. Women over 40 are often the emotional center of their households, the problem solver, the one who remembers everyone's appointments, feelings, and needs, and who takes care of her. There is a profound psychological release that happens when a woman is finally allowed to receive, to be the one on the table, to let go of all her roles and simply exist as a body that deserves gentleness. Think about that for a moment. When was the last time someone in her home treated her not as a partner, a mother, a manager, but simply as a woman worthy of being nurtured? A massage center gives her that permission. And if her home never does, she will keep going back to find it. Reason number 3, she is seeking presence, not just contact. There's a difference between someone being in the room with you and someone being with you. A skilled massage therapist is entirely, completely present. No phone, no distraction. Full attention on her, her tension, her rhythm, her comfort. For 60 minutes, she is the only thing in the world that matters to someone. Women over 40 have often spent years feeling emotionally invisible in their own homes, present in body, absent in attention. Her partner may be sitting right next to her on that couch, and yet she feels utterly alone. So she seeks out spaces where someone's entire presence is devoted to her. That need isn't frivolous. That need is human. Reason number 4, her body is asking for what her words have stopped trying to say. After years, sometimes decades, of expressing emotional needs that went unheard, many women stop speaking. Not because they stopped feeling, but because repeating yourself into silence teaches you to find other doors. The body holds what the voice gives up on, and a woman who has stopped asking her partner to hold her longer, to slow down, to simply be gentle, her body will find another way to receive what it's been denied. This is not a failure of love. This is the psychology of adaptation. Have you ever felt that way? Like you stopped asking because the asking itself started to hurt more than the absence. You're not alone in this. Reason number 5, she is reconnecting with her own body. After 40, a woman's relationship with her body becomes complicated. Society, motherhood, aging, comparison, all of it creates an internal distance. Many women stop feeling at home in their own skin. A massage is, at its core, an act of bodily reconciliation. It says, this body is worth caring for. This body deserves attention. This body is not just a machine. It is a living, feeling, beautiful thing. When her home environment doesn't reflect that message back to her, when there's no lingering touch, no whispered appreciation, no moment where she feels genuinely desired rather than just familiar, she will seek that mirror elsewhere. The massage center doesn't just relax her muscles. It reminds her that she exists. Reason number 6, it is one of the last places she is allowed to be quiet. Modern life, especially for women over 40, is relentlessly loud. Responsibilities, expectations, digital noise, emotional labor. And in the middle of all of that, she craves 1 hour of sacred stillness. A room that is warm and dim, where no one needs anything from her, where time slows down, where the only sound is soft music and the rhythm of her own breathing. Many homes do not offer her this. The couch is in front of a television. The bedroom is a place of obligation. The bedroom is a place of obligation. The kitchen never stops calling her name. So she books an appointment, and for 60 minutes, she finally exhales. If her home were a place where she felt genuinely at peace, unhurried, unseen in the demanding sense, truly rested, that appointment might not feel so necessary. I want you to stop for a second. Really stop. Think about the woman in your life, or think about yourself. If you are that woman, all of this, the appointments, the quiet, the searching for touch, none of it is a mystery. It is a love letter written in behavior. She is not running away. She is running towards something, toward the feeling of being seen, toward the warmth of an unhurried hand, toward 60 minutes where she doesn't have to be strong. And here is the truth that changes everything. She would choose you every single time if you gave her what that table gives her, not a massage, not a technique, presence, patience, the feeling that she matters, that her body is sacred to you, that her silence is safe with you, that her silence is safe with you, that she can exhale completely, right there, in your arms, and not have to go anywhere to find peace. She is not asking for perfection. She is asking to be held, really held. Touch is not a luxury. For a woman over 40, it is a language, and when that language goes unspoken at home, she will find someone, somewhere, who speaks it. The good news, you already have everything you need to be that person for her. Slow down. Show up. Let your hands say what your words sometimes forget to. If today's conversation touched something real in you, whether you're a partner who wants to do better or a woman who finally feels understood, please leave a comment below. Tell me, what do as presence look like in your relationship? I read every single one. Like this video if it moved you, and subscribe so you never miss a conversation like this. 1. Next time, we're exploring something equally powerful. The silent emotional signals women send when they are slowly letting go. You don't want to miss it. Until then, be gentle with her and with yourself.